everyone, welcome back to STEAM class with Miss Yaki. In this STEAM class, we will learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Okay, so today we will make a simple air conditioner. And yes, we will learn about something very simple, even though it seems like something very complicated. The materials that you need are battery holder, cable, switch, dynamo. This is for a cable cutter, and also glue gun. Okay, let's start. Okay, the first thing that you need to do, you need to cut this into two. So you have the black part and also the red part. Okay, and then second, you need to take this battery holder. Okay. Take your battery cutter. Actually, if you do not have this, you can use scissor. That's okay. But make sure you do not cut through everything. Okay, just cut the outer part, only the one with the color. Cut it bit by bit. Do it gently, carefully. Take your switch and put it here. Remember, this is on, this is off. You put the red one, the one with the metal in the middle. Then you twist it until the cable touch each other. Take the red part, the cable, cut it around 2 centimeters. Cut only the red part, not the cable. Make sure you twist it so it will be easier for you to put it in. The other side, also 2 centimeters. Sure, it's really tight when you twist it. So now go to the black part. Cut this one only 1 centimeter. Make sure to be careful, do not cut the metal inside. It's better for you to twist it with your finger. The cable, do something like that. Also the other part. Do it gently. Make sure you hold the metal so you will not take all from the other side. Hold it. Now combine this together tightly. Okay, and now it's finished. Okay, you need to take your battery. Okay, so you need to test it. Okay, this is how you put the battery. The negative side here. Okay, be careful. And also the negative side here. So the negative side touching the spring, yeah. Okay, does it work? You need to listen. Does it make any sound? It makes sound, then it works. Okay, that's it for today. Good job everyone. We have made the battery circuit, and next week we will continue. So please make sure you put it properly. Okay, see you everyone, bye bye.